today's video is to show you how to properly bend the wrap clamp around the frame. Position the wrap clamp with the previously installed rubber roll around the frame. Hold the bracket from the bottom, bend the bracket over the top tightly over the rubber roll. With the provided square spacer, insert the bolt through the spacer, bring the bolt in from the back side of the wrap clamp, and push through the bracket. Another option is to put the bolt from the outside of the bracket to the inside of the frame. So you have some nice flat surface on the bracket. Using the provided angle spacer if necessary, place the angle spacer over the bolt. With the angle spacer installed, mount the bracket to the frame, provided washer and nut, and torque down as specified.